You want to learn to draw? So do I. Yeah, I've got some mad skills, but I could be better. The more I learn, the more I find there is to learn. Call me Dunning-Kruger. The Dunning-Kruger effect occurs when a person's lack of knowledge and skills in a certain area cause them to overestimate their own importance. So I'm going on a journey to learn what I can about drawing, sketching, inking, digital art and so much more. The best way you can improve is to draw. Just draw, every day if you can. Use whatever tools you have, but really, a pencil and paper will do. Then when you get better and more confident, and if you realise it's something you want to invest in, you can start to buy more expensive tools to help you. I'm also studying on Skillshare, the online learning platform. There's many great courses on art and design. One that I personally recommend is Anatomy for Illustration and Comics, hosted by Jazza from the YouTube channel Draw with Jazza. Right now, Skillshare are offering a free month to get you started when you sign up. Please click the link in the description for more. Maybe then, you can go from doing drawings like this to drawings like this. Remember, the reason that I do this is so that one day I can turn this from a passion into a living that can support itself and my family. I want to stop working to make people in suits richer. I want to draw to quit. Maybe you can too.